How to change your name on Amazon account. So let's learn how you can easily change your name on Amazon. Please make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first step is to open your application Amazon. You can get this application from Play Store or an App Store. It will take you to this page. Tap on your profile at the bottom. The option of your account will be visible to you. Tap on it. In the section of account settings, head over to login and security. It will show all of your details. As you're looking forward on how to change the name, here tap on edit. In this section, delete your previous name and enter the new one. Once you are done, tap on save changes. There you go, your name has been successfully changed. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to change name on Amazon account. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.